and gentlemen, are you ready to see an experiment of a volcano eruption? If you get too close and it's about to erupt, you will get hurt if it already came out and it's coming closer to you. And I also got some hot water and my volcano, it's kind of erupting. And my name's Aaron Michael and it's my first time even when I'm a pre-K. So let's pour the hot water in. The hot red water, and inside this there is sodium and citric acid. So let's pour the red hot water inside it. And you see it erupting. It's supposed to come from both sides. I don't know why it's only coming from one side. So I think if I add a bit more water, it will erupt from the other side. So you see that red? That's sodium and citric acid. So let's wait and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.